arts of the Sri Lanka. It's really, really beautiful art. See that? This is such, I think, wonderful arts. Wow. It's really wonderful arts. Here's the Buddha. This is the style for the statues of the Sri Lanka. Here's my friends praying. Oh, wonderful arts. You can see that. Wow. Here. Here. Wow.
King.
Yeah, it's a Lord Buddha. It's a tooth. Bring the tooth. Sri Lanka bring the tooth from India. And
You come here.
and
You take video for me. I'm praying. Okay. Is there any place to offer this? Okay. Good?
Good.
Thank you.
That's my stove. Please
Come here. I'm here to show that this one. What is this?
So very dark. Yes. You
There.
again have.
Again.
Up there. We can offer this.
Two places have here. This is arts.
Parts of the
Arts of
Sunday. Full lotus.
only. Sri Lanka have some.
I saw the
Anuradhapura have not like
This
this.
is a different one.
Different one.
Yes.
This is only from Anuradhapura have
Yes.
arts.
Yes. Hard and the different arts also, different style. I saw it. So here is just the flowers
Yeah.
and the full one.
Full one.
Here.
You can see that this arts. Sri Mahabodhi drink from
Sri Lanka to India to.
That is the original,
original picture.
I mean the original color.
Original color.
Right.
Yeah. It's a historical heritage of Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Picture have here. Hello? ඔයා ආවද?
Any picture this one? Any Sachin original
ඔයා බඩුලින්
aesthetic, you know?
අමන්න ඔයා මේ අදලා මමට මේ පැරටික නම් තියලා ආවේ මාලිගාවේ.
Mama bukan Hamdro. Ya.
මම ඒ ගානක් ගිහිල්ලා
No, there is more places
Let's go.
to offer. I think we should offer this all the here. We should offer our flowers here. Maybe that's right. Come here. Here.
Oh.
Come here, come here.
So you
Here's a okay. Sleeping board up
Yeah.
here.
සිස්ටම් එක ලංවල කරන විදිහනේ.
It's 10.
좀